Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Fiat 500 wiper blades. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the ignition off to prevent accidental activation. Gather your tools, typically a small flathead screwdriver, and measure your current wiper blades to confirm the correct replacement size. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and safe installation, making the entire process much easier for you. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or button near where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade down and off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. After installation, it's important to test your new wiper blades. Turn on your car and use the windshield washer fluid to check for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire glass. Ensure both blades make full contact and clear water effectively. Proper installation means better visibility and safety on the road. For those who love to read, consider a new e-reader for comfortable reading anywhere. Check the description below for a link to this great device and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.